Hello, I'm Arif Irfanullah, and in this video, I'll share some advice on preparing for your Level 3 exam with roughly 3 months left for the exam. My first point has to do with your schedule. You have roughly 3 months before the exam window opens for your particular exam session. To make the best use of this time, you should have a proper schedule. With respect to the schedule, here is what I would recommend. You should complete one round of the entire curriculum at least 2 months before your exam. You should finish the second round of revision at least 1 month from your exam date. Then, during the final month, you should focus on review and practice. And here, I would recommend that during the final 2 weeks, you exclusively do mock exams. During this final period, you can revise using the IFT high yield videos and notes. These videos and notes will help you remember the key concepts. You can also use the key facts and formula sheet during this period. My second point has to do with active learning. Candidates have different ways of studying. Some might watch my videos, some might study from the curriculum, some might use the IFT notes and so on. But you should study smart, and to study smart, you need to do so actively. Active learning means that you study a concept and then you practice. You can truly internalize a concept only when you practice questions related to that concept. We have made this somewhat easy for you. On IFT's learning portal, after completing every video lecture, you will get a summary slide which you should read carefully. After reading the summary slide, take the short quiz that's presented to you to truly grasp the concepts that have been taught in the video. Whether you are listening to the IFT videos, reading the curriculum, or going over IFT notes, I would suggest the following. A. Attempt the concept checks available at the end of each video lecture and go over the summary slides of each reading which are given with the learning outcomes. B. Work through the embedded examples. C. Do the end of reading practice questions, including the questions that are in an essay exam format. Make sure that you answer these questions as if you are taking the actual exam. And D, scan through the IFT key facts and formula sheet to quickly review all the important facts and formulas. My third point has to do with making the most of the CFA Institute material. You should work through all the examples and practice problems in the curriculum. The CFA Institute also provides topic-wise practice questions on its website. After you finish a topic, do all the questions related to that topic on the CFA Institute website. And towards the end, you should do the mock exams which are provided by the CFA Institute. You can also work through IFT exams if you need more practice. Now here I want to say a little bit more about the Level 3 essay exam. Many brilliant candidates fail the exam every year because they did not actively prepare for the essay exam. It is essential for you to develop the skills necessary to pass the essay exam. I strongly recommend that you watch my video on how to pass the Level 3 essay exam. Here I give you valuable advice on how to ace the essay exam. You should solve questions from past papers. Here I would recommend that you attempt the past essay exams that the CFA Institute has provided. The curriculum has changed significantly, meaning that many past questions are no longer relevant for 2021 and beyond. You should only do questions that are still relevant. I recommend that you do the questions from the most recent papers which are available. You can attempt these questions on a topic-wise basis, which means that when you complete a particular topic, such as private wealth management, then do the questions related to private wealth management from past papers. To find out which questions are relevant, you can refer to our Level 3 Past Essay Exam Relevance document by clicking on the link in the description. If you have subscribed to our videos, then we strongly recommend that you also watch our essay exam videos. Sometimes students get into the trap of writing too much, while others write too little. When you watch these videos, you will learn how to answer questions in a way that will allow you to pass the exam. The central point that I emphasize in these videos is how to address a question and then answer exactly what is asked. In the final month of your preparation, you can work through IFT mock exams and CFA mock exams. You can also use the IFT grading service to help identify your weak areas and understand what credit points your response would have earned. In this service, our instructors give you advice on how to improve your essay exam responses. Now, as a side remark, from 2021 onwards, the CFA program exam is now computer-based. Please watch the IFT video on the overview of computer-based testing to understand the exam's scheduling and format changes. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.